This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Chasin Washington. Welcome to Londonberry. This stunning 3-story home has a spacious bonus room, formal dining room, large eat-in kitchen, first-floor office, a built-in gazebo, and many more amenities. Additional benefits: $5,000 closing cost credit with offers at asking price, closet factory lifetime warranty, Brinks Security System with doorbell camera. For more information, review the details below or contact Chasin Washington at office 757-873-6900.